Hello traders, welcome to the MetaTrader 4 tutorial. So when you download the MetaTrader 4 and install it, it shows like this. So what we have here is our main chart, the one that we use to predict where price is gonna be, so that we can be able to sell and buy price. Over here we have our market watch. For market watch, you need to click here or Control M, Control plus M. You put your market watch and remove it easily. So here on market watch, we have the bid price, the ask price, the spread, the high of the day, and the low that had been formed. So when you trade with the market makers method, you need to focus mainly on selling high and buying low. So for us to open a chart here, we go on a pair that you want to open. For this example, pound USD, you right click and then click chart window. Then our new chart is opened. What we have on our chart here is our chart representing price. We can zoom in using the plus button over here. Currently we are zoomed in, and what we have here representing price is called a bar chart. And also behind we have the grid. To remove the grid, you need to press Ctrl plus G. Ctrl G, the grid is gone. Okay. Then from a bar chart, we can change to a candlestick chart over here. Price is now represented in form of candlesticks, and you can also change to a line chart over here. Then zoom it out and zoom in. So basically what we have here are called period separators. These white lines, bold lines, here, dotted lines, they are showing the 24 hours, the full day from here, day beginning to the end of the day, on the 1 hour to any time frame below it. From the H4, it now shows the course of the week. So these period separators are now weekly separators. And on the daily, it now shows the monthly separation from the beginning of the month to the end of the month over here. And also we have these time frames here. In case of time frames, you go from 1 minute to monthly. When you are on a 1 minute time frame, what it means is that each candle is being created within 1 minute. So within the course of a minute, a candle is going to open, set its low and high, then closes. Within a minute, you can change to 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 1 hour, the H4, and the daily. What it means now is that each candle is being representing what has happened for the past day, the current day that you're in. So this is the candle of today, this was yesterday's candle. And for us, we have to place orders, our buy or sell orders. We can place our order in here at new order. You just click on new order, and it will show you this pop-up. Here you can select the current pair that you want to trade. You don't want to make a mistake where you end up buying or selling the wrong current pair, so you just have to select the right pair that you want. We have CAD JPY. Here we select our volume. In this case, I put the smallest 0.01. Then here we add our stop loss. So stop loss, you input a number here, and you take profit. So you wanna put this before you end a trade, or you can also put a comment here. then you place your order by market. It's on pound yen. We can view our order here. Currently we're having our order open. As you can see, the buying price is here. Here is our stop loss, and our take profit is here. You can also adjust this by just pointing the cursor, and I can drag them up and down in here. And so here we have the other ones: file, view, insert. We can insert our indicators, lines, channels, and so forth, all these labeled things. And we also have here where we can change the charts with also the help of tools for us to add history and window. And over here we have a crosshair. For crosshair, we use it to measure. So from here to here, I want to see what do we have. So what we're having here is the mid number, which is 72 pips. Okay, let me start again. Okay, from the lowest point here to here, the first number represents the number of bars, candlesticks. So we have 5 bars from where we're starting to the end. And the second number represents points, which is divided by 10 into pips. So it will be 12 pips. And the last number is the current price that we are looking at, our current price. And for us to be able to change the background of our chart, yeah, you right click on your screen, or you click F8, go to properties. Come here, change your background, leave it as black, foreground white. Our bar up is green, and our bar down we need to put it red. Here, our bull candle, let's go for green, and our bear candle is red. And I can also change your scheme, select an offline chart, a bar chart. You can also show the ask price in here. The period separators, the grid, the volume, and also select the scale in here. Okay, so our candlesticks have been changed colors. We only have green and red candles in here. So for us to tile and show multi screens on a empty form, here you just press this icon here, or Alt plus R, Alt R, Alt R, Alt R, in here, Alt R. Okay, you can now see multiple charts appearing on one screen in here. And these are some tools. We have a vertical line in here, a horizontal one. Currently it's black, you can't see it. You can change the properties by right clicking on it and change the color to red. The thickness also can be changed. And then we have our trend line, it's black also. Change the color, make it yellow. We also have Fibonacci in here. You can also draw a box, it's black, and here you can see it. Okay, so thank you guys. I hope I learned a lot on this video on how to use MetaTrader 4 platform. And the last thing is the one click trade found here, where you just press a trade in here. Let's see. We have placed our trade. And the last thing is the terminal Control T here. The terminal, it shows our trades. So we have this trade, the volume, the symbols, price, stop loss, and our take profits. And we have account history, the news, alerts, and so forth in here. So basically what we need is where we can see our trades that we are in. You can cancel your trade over here by just pressing the X button. Thank you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video.